If your mind feels tight or restless right now, you're in the right place. You don't need to push anything away or pretend to be calm. You only need to arrive as you are. This meditation is here to help your body soften, your breath slow down, and your thoughts lose their grip. You can let yourself be held by this time. My name is Julia Wiley, and for the next few minutes I will guide you through a gentle practice designed to ease anxiety and help your nervous system settle. Everything we do together is based on simple, proven methods that help the body shift out of stress and into a state of safety. You don't need to get anything right. You only need to listen and allow your body to respond in its own way. Take a moment to settle in. Let your shoulders drop a little. Let your jaw loosen. Let your breath fall out of your mouth in a soft sigh. We will begin slowly. You don't need to force anything. Let the pace of this practice be a place where you can rest. Feel the weight of your body. Notice the points where you make contact with the surface beneath you. Let yourself be supported. Your breath does not need to be deep or controlled. Just notice it. Notice the coolness of the inhale. Notice the warmth of the exhale. Let your breath fall into a natural rhythm. Bring your attention now to your feet. Feel the heaviness there. Imagine the muscles softening, like warm sand slipping through your fingers. Let that softness move up through your ankles, your calves, your knees. Anxiety often pulls us into our heads. This brings you back into your body. Place one hand on your chest and one on your belly. Feel the warmth of your hands. Let your breath move down into the lower hand. Slow inhale and longer exhale. This longer exhale signals safety to your nervous system. Let each breath be a quiet message to your body that it's safe to settle. Again, slow inhale, longer exhale. Bring your awareness now to your shoulders. Let them drop a little more. Imagine warm water flowing down your back, loosening everything it touches. Let your jaw soften. Let your tongue rest gently at the bottom of your mouth. When your jaw softens, the mind softens. You may notice thoughts rising. You do not need to chase them or fight them. Imagine each thought as a small cloud passing across a wide sky. You are the sky. The thoughts are only weather. Let them drift. Take a slow breath in through the nose. Hold it for a moment. Then let the exhale fall out through your mouth. Repeat this a few times. This resets the breath and helps interrupt anxious spirals. So take a slow breath in through the nose, hold a moment, and then a long exhale out through your mouth. Now bring your attention to your hands. Let them soften. Let the fingers loosen. Feel the warmth spreading through your palms. Move that warmth up your arms, across your chest, down your spine, into your hips. Let your whole body feel heavier. Imagine a place where your body feels at ease. It might be a beach, a forest, a quiet room, or somewhere from your own memory. Picture the colors around you. Picture the light. Picture the air on your skin. Let yourself rest there. This imagery helps the brain shift away from threat and into calm. If any emotion rises, let it be there. You don't need to push it away. Imagine placing a warm hand on your heart. Tell yourself quietly, you are safe. You are allowed to rest. You are doing your best. Let these words settle into your body. Your breath is slower now. Your body is heavier. Your thoughts are softer. Let yourself drift. Let the edges of your awareness blur. You don't need to stay alert. You can let go. Imagine your whole body sinking into a warm, soft space. Nothing is required of you. Nothing needs to be solved. Let the breath move in and out like a gentle tide. Let your mind float. Stay in this softness. Stay in this warmth. Let your breath guide you deeper into rest. You can return to this practice whenever your mind feels tight or overwhelmed. For now, for as long as feels good, let yourself drift into quiet.